Okay, so we want to know the probability of tossing 9 tails in a row or 12 tails in a row. So they gave us example of 4 tails in a row, and it was just 1/2 to the power of 4. So we can do the same thing. So we can do 1/2 to the power of 9. And that'll be 1 to the power of 9 over 2 to the power of 9. So we just get 1 over 512. We can also do the same thing for 12 tails in a row, so it'll be 1 over 2 to the power of 12. So we get 1 over 4096. So now we want to write each answer in part A as a power of a power. So first, if we have 1 over 2 to the power of 9, we can separate this as 1 over 2 to the power of 3, and then to the power of 3 again. So if we multiply those together, it'll be 9, so it's the same thing. And we can do a similar thing with 1 over 2 to the power of 12. So we could have 1 over 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 4. So if we multiply those together, we get 12, and so these are the same thing.